check it out. So everything that this car was giving me a headache about, all the little small details that were bothering me, they're all taken care of. I got it all cleaned up, and this is the side that was repaired. Did my best blending it, but since this is considered a tri-coat, it was a bit difficult. They always are, but the more I do them, the better I get at them, and I have a little bit more confidence every time. But yeah, she's ready. I was having an issue when I would go over a bump. I would hear this noise in the back, and I thought it was a suspension. And I put it on the lift about 3 times. I would mess with something. I switched the tires around. I took off one of the struts, make sure it was in good shape, and I still couldn't figure it out. And then I don't know if you guys remember when I painted this quarter panel, I removed the bumper from right here. So when doing that, there's this black plastic piece right there that had came loose. I don't know if you can really see it, but that was banging around every time I went over a bump, which was making all that noise. I thought it was something to do with the suspension, but I'm glad it was just that. But yep, that's it.